D&D Sports can be found on all social media, including Instagram. We are also now a full-service Traxxas exclusive dealer. Welcome back to another week of What's New in the RC Shop, D&D Sports fans, and look how big this box is. It's huge. So we have 2 orders coming in this week, and this is the first of the 2. I mean, I can't even see over the top of this thing. So I can see a 2-wheel drive Stampede in there, and a 2-wheel drive Slash, and there are a ton of these airbag looking things. There we go. And looks like there might be some parts down in the middle. Let's pull it all out of this big box and see what we got. Alright, so here's everything that was in that big box. We got a blue TRX4 Sport. We got a 2-wheel drive Slash, the black and red edition. A Stampede, but it's not the blue. Traxxas actually released 2 new colors. And you see on the bottom there the orange and the green. This is the green edition. We got the new wheels for the Mercedes-Benz for the TRX4. We only got 1 set of those. I'm not sure why I only ordered 1, but we got some parts for the Rustlers. And these are becoming pretty popular. Sold quite a few of those already. The 7710s. Those are the reinforcements for your e-Revos. Alright guys, and Traxxas was also kind enough to send me a boot print on my packaging slip this time. Alright, so that is everything for today, which is Wednesday. We'll have another order coming in tomorrow on Thursday. Alright, D&D Sports fans, last order for the week. Now I do know that next Tuesday, Traxxas' new 6x6 Mercedes-Benz edition is going to be released. So you may want to check out next week's videos. Probably end up doing the unboxing and the review of that truck also next week. So in this week's order, looks like we have a TRX4 chassis kit and a couple more parts in there. Since we only have the 1 box, we'll dump it out and see what we got. Alright, so here's everything out of the box. We got the TRX4 chassis kit. We got the Easy Peak charger. We got 2 5,000 milliamp 3-cell batteries. We got a replacement Millennium 3500 motor. That's going to actually go into a customer's vehicle, and hopefully they'll have it for the weekend. I guess they want to go camping over Labor Day, so we'll get that done for them. These are becoming very popular. I just mentioned it a little bit ago, but we just keep selling them, the 7710 and the 8610s. Those are the supports for the new e-Revo and X-Max. Those just come out. We also have an axle here for a Slash or Stampede. And a couple other replacement parts. Okay guys, and as always, thank you very much for watching. If you're not a subscriber, click that subscribe button, turn the bell on so you get notified anytime we release new videos. And I'm really looking forward to next Tuesday unboxing that new 6x6 by Traxxas. If you haven't seen their video yet, I will put it down here in the description so you can go check out that video. One last thing guys, don't forget around 8 o'clock tonight Eastern time, I'm going to release the winner of my birthday gift. So check out and wait for that video around 8 p.m. Eastern time.